Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome here, you're a beautiful person. Welcome. In this video, I'll try my best to help you fix the crashing and exception access violation problem in EVERSPACE 2. Yeah, I'll try my best to help you, so make sure you watch the video till the very end. I'll show you what I've tested for different games and apps, and it worked. So now obviously I can't guarantee you, but I guess I hope it's gonna work. So make sure you watch till the very end, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. I will really appreciate it. So the first method now to fix this problem is to ensure that we have the latest updates. This is probably an overlooked method, or it's just something that people just don't look at it. Just make sure you enable, so you install all the updates here. Now if it's like only one like I have here, that's fine. But if there are like tons of updates, then make sure you install. Also head over to advanced options, and here in optional updates, in driver updates, make sure this list is not existed probably, or just one update. For me, first time I checked this optional updates, driver updates list was really several updates were available, actually tons, around 20 updates. So just make sure you check for all of them, check the box and click on download and install. Now the next method, also just ensure you have you don't have low specs, because that can cause your computer specifications are good enough to run the game. If that's not a problem, then let's move to the next method. What we can do right now to fix the problem is to install the latest drivers, because this can cause a lot of issues. So if you have a NVIDIA card, graphic card, make sure you install GeForce Experience. I'm going to show you how you can install this. I'll leave the links in the description of this video, so don't worry. So here I have the links for you. For NVIDIA GeForce Experience, head over to this website. I'll leave it in the description of this video. And here you can click on download, and this will automatically help you to install the latest drivers. As you can see here, I'll just click on drivers, and then here select for game. Don't select studio driver as me, but here just click on check for updates, and if there's a new available driver, just click on download. Also click on settings, and here make sure you turn off in-game overlay. This can sometimes interact or interfere with the game and just cause crashing. And also you need to ensure that you have Microsoft Visual C++, and you also have DirectX end user on your computer. If you don't have, just click on download here, and then here click on this link. So yeah, that's what you need to run the game. And now also install, you can use this website for Intel to install drivers. Also AMD drive auto detect AMD user, click on download. And now you can also try this. This didn't work for me to install drivers, but I know for some people it will work. Is just click on display adapters and right click and update driver, search automatically for drivers, and maybe it will detect the new driver that you need. Also you can go to, oh no, that's fine there. Okay, so now the next method, also go to command prompt, and we need to run a command prompt that will clean and will solve any problems we might have in our system regards our files and our folders. Maybe there's a missing file, or and just run this command that I have here, this one. And now the system scan will begin, verification will start, and make sure you wait for the entire verification to complete. System verification, just wait for the entire verification to complete. I'll close this because I already done that. Just wait for the verification, pause the video. And now you also ensure that you install update your system. I use the Lenovo Vantage, that's because I have a Legion 5. But for my computer, I use I just use the way I updated my BIOS, that's the way you do it as well. Just install the software from your producer, from your company. I don't know what you have, like Lenovo, Asus, or whatever. Just install the latest updates as well. All right. And now the next method also head over to graphics settings, and here in graphics settings just go to Steam, or also go to the game. And if you can't find a game here, click on browse and add the game here from the browse. Go exactly where you install the game, and then click on the game, click on options, select high performance. Also go to change graphic settings and make sure you enable both of these settings, hardware acceleration. And you can also try to enable game mode. Some people are saying for them is not working, is actually causing problems if they have enabled game mode. For others, is saying they're saying it's actually in fact good. So make sure you try this and experience for yourself, experimenting for yourself. And also you should go to performance modes, and this just is more like increasing, optimizing Windows, but can help if your computer is not the best out there. And click on custom here and only enable both of the settings. So instead of best appearance, we need best performance. And also click on change, and here in custom size, we need to calculate this. So 1024 multiplied by the amount of RAM you have. If you have 60, if you have 60, just the result just right here, and then if you have 8, the result put it here, set, and then okay, and then okay. This will help us increase virtual memory. And you can also go to right click personalize. This is a small thing but is important. Just turn off transparency effect. This can help. And also close any apps that are running in the background when you open the game. And I'll repeat myself, but just make sure you have all the updates. You update your computer to the latest updates. Everything is fresh and is new. Regards your updates in general, it's very, very important, because this can cause a lot of issues. All right. And also when you start the game, not just game but Steam, just click on the Steam app, click on properties and compatibility. Make sure you run Steam as the administrator. Check this box. And also you can run the administrator, the game. And that's the end of this video. I really hope, guys, this video provides you with value, and now you can enjoy the game, and have fun. So I really hope that, guys, if you tried everything in this video and you start your computer and you still have this problem, make sure you leave a message, DM me on Discord, and I'll try to help you there. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.